Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Ash. Do you know who is Ash? Ash is a brave boy from the world of Pokémon. He loves to catch and train Pokémon to become the best Pokémon trainer ever. Ash travels with his friend and his favorite Pokémon Pikachu to different places for competition. He is kind, never give up and always help others. Kids love watching Ash's exciting adventure as he learns about teamwork, friendship and being brave. Ash teaches that hard work and determination you can achieve your dreams. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.